What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. Boy, I got a story to tell y'all. I'm a terrible teacher. Drop the beat. What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. That's right, man. I'm a terrible teacher. On 2 separate occasions, I tried to teach some women how to ride a motorcycle. And on both occasions, I failed. I failed miserably. So like I said before the beat dropped, man, this is story time. I don't got no footage, unfortunately. But the first woman I tried to teach how to ride was my sister. At that point in time, I believe I was about 13 years old or something. And for those of y'all who follow me, y'all know I had that little CRF 80F, that little dirt bike. And at this time, my sister, I believe she was already 16. My sister already knew how to drive a manual transmission car. So I figured, hey man, she got the idea of the clutch. All I gotta do is tell her where the clutch is, where the throttle is, and where her brakes are. That's what I thought. And I told her, hey man, give her a little bit of throttle and slowly release the clutch. What my sister does is, she gets on the throttle like this. Just holding it, right? And I'm worried about my engine. I'm like, let go! Let go, you idiot! And of course, I'm meaning let go of the throttle, but my sister thought I meant let go of the clutch. So for those of y'all who don't know what happens when your RPMs are up and you dump the clutch, bad things happen. Unless you are a professional stunter or somebody who is very skilled in the world of motorcycles and you can start a wheelie from a standstill. Well, basically, my sister flipped the damn bike. And you know, as siblings, I was not concerned for her health whatsoever. I was only worried about the health of my bike. So I'm pissed off, man. I'm like, you idiot! They didn't even check on her. I hopped on my little dirt bike and my gear shift was bent. That was the only thing that was wrong with it. It was bent, so I couldn't get out of second gear. So I had to scoot home. I had to creep home, man. I was going so slow, and I was so mad, and I left it there to walk home. I should have been ashamed of myself. But I learned from that experience. I learned, man, don't try to take into account what somebody may already know. Teach them from the beginning. You gotta teach them like they don't know nothing. Hey man, real quick, drop a like for your boy. We trying to grow the channel. So fast forward about 3 or 4 years, I'm trying to teach my then girlfriend and my now wife how to ride on the same dirt bike. So this time, I told myself, man, look, you gotta be extremely detailed. You gotta let her know everything she need to know. So that's what I tried to do, man. After I taught her where everything was and the basic concept of how to operate the motorcycle, multiple times I tried to reiterate, look, you are probably going to get nervous. If you get nervous, what you need to do is grab the clutch and let go of the throttle so that way you can slow down to a stop. Again, you are probably going to get nervous. What you do is you need to let go of the throttle and pull in the clutch. I probably said this about 3-4 times because it took a couple days before she worked at the, before she was really ready to ride it. And I kept telling her again and again, look, once you get nervous, please, let go of that damn throttle and pull in the clutch. But of course, that is not what happened. She gets on the motorcycle, she's slowly releasing the clutch. Everything is going all right. But I guess when she heard that engine rumbling, she just totally forgot about everything I had already told her. She starts going, and she's just locked, just in fear. She ain't accelerating, she's just going. Woo! 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 Bam! Right smack dab in the back of her own car. I was like, oh, shit. Man, I felt so bad, but I wanted to laugh too because it happened in slow motion. And I knew I had told her, look, if you get nervous, pull in the clutch and let off the throttle. Didn't happen, man. That fear set in. It was like paralysis. It was, man, I felt so bad. So my wife is a little worried about getting a motorcycle. Well, even after that, though. After that time, you know, a few months later, she was ready to hop back on the horse, so to speak. She got back on it, and she was able to ride the second time. Granted, she only went in first and second gear, but, you know, that was the last time she rode. And when she was younger, she always wanted a motorcycle. So, now she's, you know, working up the courage a little bit to get back on one. And from my last video talking about beginner bikes, I'm thinking I might just buy her a little dirt bike because really you want to be comfortable. Like, you want to be able to flat foot whatever it is you're trying to learn how to ride. And a little dirt bike's great. And like I said, those things are they're so twitchy. I think it'd be great for her to learn on that, because if you can smoothly operate a twitchy motorcycle, then you can smoothly operate a damn. Because if you can smoothly operate a twitchy motorcycle, then you should have no problem smoothly operating a smooth motorcycle. Can't never get no damn lights nowhere. Shit. But the roads is empty. Look at this, man. What the hell going on? Boy, if I knew how to stunt, we'd be doing wheelies. That's all I do, real quick. Speed it up, slow it down. But yeah, man, I'm a terrible teacher. Well, I'm about to reevaluate myself before I try to teach my wife how to ride again. But I am going to reiterate thousands of times. I'm a quizzer. I'm going to even make her take a paper test. Look here, girl. Don't you dare get on this thing until you realize that if you want to stop, release, and pull. Release lay throttle and pull in lay clutch. Alright, man, that's all Master Yoshi got for y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please do your boy a favor, drop a like. We trying to grow this damn channel, man. This shit is creeping. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.